Welcome to Sharwana's Knowledge Hub, where curiosity meets clarity. Master the skills that matter. Let's explore the country, its flag, and learn about its capital city. Explore the stunning skyline of Singapore, where the city and capital meet as one vibrant island nation. From Marina Bay to its iconic flag, South Korea is a vibrant East Asian country known for its technology, culture, and K-pop influence. Its capital city is Seoul, a bustling metropolis blending modern skyscrapers with historic palaces. The South Korean flag, called Taegyeokgi, symbolizes balance and harmony with its yin-yang design. Sri Lanka shines as a tropical island nation in South Asia, surrounded by the sparkling Indian Ocean. Its vibrant capital, Colombo, is a bustling city known for culture, trade, and scenic coastal beauty. The national flag proudly marking Colombo on the map, symbolizing the country's rich heritage. Syria is a historic country in the Middle East, rich in ancient culture and heritage. Its capital, Damascus, is one of the world's oldest continuously inhabited cities. The national flag marks Damascus on the map, representing Syria's pride and identity. Taipei, the dynamic capital of Taiwan, is a bustling metropolis. Located in East Asia, the island nation of Taiwan boasts a unique culture. The flag of Taiwan, with its white sun on a blue field and a red base, represents the country's identity. Tajikistan is a mountainous country in Central Asia, known for its stunning landscapes and rich culture. Its capital, Dushan, is a vibrant city nestled among beautiful valleys and rivers. Thailand is a beautiful Southeast Asian country known for its rich culture and stunning landscapes. Its capital, Bangkok, is a vibrant city famous for temples, rivers, and modern city life. The map highlights Thailand with its national flag marking Bangkok, symbolizing its identity and pride. Turkmenistan shines in Central Asia, known for its vast deserts and rich cultural heritage. Its capital, Ashgabat, is famous for stunning white marble buildings and modern architecture. From the Caspian Sea to ancient Silk Road history, Turkmenistan is truly unique. The United Arab Emirates shines along the Arabian Gulf, blending tradition with modern marvels. Its capital, Abu Dhabi, is known for grand mosques, rich culture, and stunning architecture. From golden deserts to futuristic skylines, the UAE is a land of incredible contrasts. Like, share, and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned to Sharwana's Knowledge Hub for more updates. Thanks for watching.